The Your Benefits Are Changing campaign was set up to communicate the changes around welfare reform and then to provide independent advice and support to tenants who are going to be affected. We wanted a non-corporate feel to the campaign, and we wanted to use real tenants to help get these messages across using internal bus advertising, newspaper advertising and radio advertising. And in addition to that, we provided all support organisations with campaign material so they could really get involved at a grassroots level and communicate these changes locally. One of the key successes of the campaign was the partnerships that we have forged as a result. We've worked with a number of organisations, and in total 62 have signed up to support the campaign in some way, shape or form. I'm really proud of this campaign because the changes to welfare reform will affect thousands of people in Wales, and if we can just advise and support half of the people that are going to be affected, we will be making a real difference here in Wales.